Vice President Leni Robredo had a facepalm emoji moment on Facebook. Robredo was mistakenly tagged as a doctor who received Sinovac's COVID-19 vaccine. Robredo issued this clarification. She also apologized to the woman in the photo, who happens to be Dr. Flor Delisa Grana, a pediatric surgeon.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.